Welcome back. Let's move forward and learn about find and search functions. As the name suggests, find and search are used to find some values. These are used to return position of a search string in a string. The basic difference between find and search function is that find is case sensitive whereas search is not. Let's focus on the syntax of these two functions. The first argument in find is search string. It refers to the string that we are looking for. The second argument is string. It refers to the string from where we are looking for. And the third argument is position, which is an optional argument. It basically refers to from what position we are looking for the string. In case we don't enter any value in the third argument, the Excel will take it as 1 by default. Hence, it is an optional argument. Let's understand it practically by working on an Excel. Let's move to Excel now. Here is the Excel sheet. Let's first delete the existing content. Now we need to find the position of A in lowercase in the list of names. To search it, let's first write the function search. And so as per the syntax we have just now discussed, firstly it is asking for what we need to find, which is A. Let's write A, and now it is asking from where we need to find, which is the cell A2. So the third argument, which is optional, hence we won't write anything there. Excel will by default take it as 1. Let's close the bracket and press enter. Now let's understand more about the third argument of search function. As you can see that in the search function there is no third argument because it has been taken as 1 by default. Let's write 2 over there and see what result do we get. As you can notice that the result has been changed to 9. Earlier it was 1. Reason being, earlier by default it was searching from the first position, from here where A was existing at the first position itself. Now as we have mentioned 2, it has started searching from the second position. As you can see that after second position the lowercase exists at 9th position, the answer that we have got. More use of this functionality will be discussed shortly. Let's now copy the formula for the rest of the cells and see what output do we get. If search string is not found in the string, it will return hash value. Let's see how. Equals to find, I'm finding X in ABC. Apparently since X is not there in ABC, it should return a hash value. Here it comes. Now let's move back to the PPT and understand the functions that helps us to change the case of a string. Now these functions are very simple to understand as their name suggests. The uppercase, the lowercase and the proper case. Upper is used to convert a string to the uppercase, lower is used to convert a string into lowercase, and proper converts to sentence case where first character of each word is capital. Now let's move back to Excel and understand it practically. Now let's again remove the existing content. Here, to make use of the 3 functions that we have just now discussed, let's write it in the formula. It's upper, and here we'll write lower and followed by proper. We'll now mention their respective functions. For upper, let's write equals to upper and the cell A2. This has now converted the string into uppercase. Now let's try and do it for lowercase as well. Equals to lower and select the cell. Now this has converted into lower. Moving to proper, equals to proper. Let's take the cell. This has now converted the string into a sentence format where the first character of each word is in capital letters as discussed. Let's copy these functions together for the rest of the cells. Now we have changed the cases of the list of the names that we have according to the upper, lower and the proper function. Let's move back to the PPT and understand more about the replace and substitute functions. Now learn about replace and substitute function. Replace and substitute function, as the name suggests, are used to change a part of a string with a new string. Let's understand it with an example. Let's say I have a name which is Sunil Verma, but I want to change the name to Sunil Sharma. This particular operation can be performed either by replace or substitute. This is the application of these two functions. Let's now understand the syntax of replace function. String. String refers to the text whose part needs to be replaced. In the given example of Sunil Verma is the string. Moving further, from position. From position refers to from which position we want to change the string. So, taking the same example, we see that we have to change Verma with Sharma. So, if we calculate the position of Verma, it starts at first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. V is at 7th position. So in the syntax, the value of from position would be 7th. Moving forward, number of characters. This refers to the number of characters of the string that has to be replaced. For example, in this case, the number of characters are 5. This is first, this is second, this is third, fourth and fifth. This makes the number of characters as 5. Now, moving to the last argument, which is new substring. New substring refers to the string that is to be replaced with an existing one. Since we have to replace Verma with Sharma, Sharma has 6 characters. Here we'll write Sharma. Similarly, this operation can also be performed using substitute function. If we see that the syntax of substitute is way more easier as compared to replace. In substitute, we simply need to put the string which is Sunil Verma, the old string which is Verma, and it has to be replaced by a new substring that is Sharma. This is how substitute works. Now let's move on to Excel and look at it in a practical manner. Here is the Excel file. Let's first delete the existing content. Now I want to substitute Kumar with Verma. Let's do it. For that, we'll simply write the formula equals to substitute the string A2, the old text is Kumar, followed by new text which is Verma. Bracket close, press enter. Now substitute function has replaced Kumar with Verma. This operation can also be performed using replace function. Let's do that also. Now let's try to do the same operation using replace function. For replace, just write the formula equals to replace the old text which is Anil Kumar, start number which is 6 because the string that we want to replace starts from 6th position, the number of characters, so Kumar has 5 characters, and the new text it is to be replaced by Verma, hence we'll write Verma here. Must have noticed that replace and substitute function has given us the same output. In this case, we have written 6 and 5 manually, but they can be automated using the text function such as find, left, etc. In this video, we have looked at various text function which comes into use while working on Excel. In the next video, we'll discuss the mathematical functions used in Excel. Thank you.